In these drawings that were presented in court, Warrant Officer Sunette Nel explained in detail the work she had done as part of the reconstruction of the accident scene. Nel told the court that she relied on the report from the original inquest as well as new photographs and videos taken by investigators. Nel told the court that based on the evidence gathered, she was of the opinion that Luthuli was assaulted and not struck by a train.
The calculations is significant in showing that there was sufficient time for the perpetrators to have assaulted the deceased and subsequently carried his body across the bridge from the north to the south before the locomotive would have crossed the bridge.
Nel further explained how she had created different scenarios that could have resulted in the accident to test the original evidence. She testified that she studied the post-mortem report and the injuries sustained by Luthuli to create the drawings. Based on these, Nel says she determined that the version of events by the original witnesses was improbable. The court also saw images of injuries sustained by train accident victims dating back to 2016. Nel told the court that the evidence rather points to Luthuli having been assaulted.
Overall conclusion, the injuries sustained by the deceased are more in line with the defense wounds while he was defending himself against an assault. As a result of the assault, he became unconscious. The assailants then dropped his body onto a railway track in order to make it seem as if he had been a victim of a train accident.
Nel's evidence corroborates that of 3 experts, including a crime scene expert who testified in the inquest. In addition, she mentioned that Luthuli's clothes were still intact and he was wearing his shoes, which further supports their findings of an assault. I am Mhlongo, SABC News, Pietermaritzburg.